the important concepts in geometry, and that is the concept on surface and curves. Basically, if I am drawing this straight line, there is a difference between a line and a curve. Now when I am drawing a line, it is a straight line, that means it has two end points, that is the starting point and the ending point. Whereas if I am drawing this, it is actually a curve. So we can say that when we talk about a curve, it is actually of three types. Now these three types are, we have a simple curve, we have an open curve, and then we have a closed curve. Now this, if I take the example of this, it is both. It is actually a simple curve as well as it is an open curve. Now if we talk about the simple curve, in the simple curve, when we are drawing the various surfaces, they will not meet, that they will not intersect. They will not intersect. Like for example this, I can even draw like this. This is also a category of the simple curve. In the case of open curve, the two endpoints do not meet. They do not meet. Like in the case of this, I have one endpoint and the other endpoint. These are very far away from each other. That means they do not meet. This is an example of the open curve. And when these two endpoints meet, that means they meet at a certain point. It is known as the closed curve. Like the case of this. This is a closed curve as well as a simple curve. This is known as the open curve and a simple curve. And this is also an example of open curve and a simple curve. But however, if I draw this, in which the lines are meeting over each other, that means it is actually a complex curve and it is a closed curve. So you should know all the categories of curves: simple, open and the closed. Now when you have these three types of curves, you must know that there is a concept known as polygon. By the word polygon, we mean that it is a closed figure made up of only line segments. So if I have the case of a square, all these four are line segments, that means it is a polygon. And the polygon always has to be a closed figure. That means the starting point and the ending point should be the same. Like if I am drawing like this, now in this case I am only using the various line segments, and my starting point and the ending point is the same. That means it is the case of a polygon. So polygon means it is made up of only line segments and it is a closed figure. Now when I have the polygon, I have basically three important categories also. The interior part is known as this part is known as the interior of a polygon or interior of a curve. The inside part is known as the interior portion. The outside part is known as the exterior portion of the polygon or the exterior portion of the curve. These line segments are known as the boundary or the boundaries of a polygon. So till now we have discussed what are straight lines and how straight lines can be used to form different categories of polygons. And then we have discussed the importance of curves. We have discussed three important curves. Simple curve is that curve in which the two curves do not intersect over each other. In the open curves, the starting point and the ending point is different. They do not meet each other. In the case of closed curves, the starting point and the ending point will meet. That I have explained each one of them, and then we have discussed the categories of polygons. So this was the concept on the surfaces and the curves.